Hello friends! Today we're going to visit Bingo and Rolly. But this time we're going on a new adventure. We'll be looking for the differences between the pictures. Let's go to new adventures. I think so we need level medium. Very interesting. Look friends, we need to find four differences. And I see difference number 1. Ta-da! Cool. It is number 1. Where is well? Maybe this? No, this not. Okay. Maybe this. No, that's no difference. Look, friends, I see. This have, this not. Yes, not, yes, not. Ta-da! Is it difference number 2? Woohoo! And now we need difference number 3. This is face, eyes, okay. This, okay. Okay, it is right. Friends, look, its eyes. See this, eyes, this. I think so. It is difference. Yes, it is right. Number 3. And we need well one difference. Bam, 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 bam. It is right. It is right. It is right. It is right. Where is difference? Oh, friends, look. It is color yellow. It is color green. I think so. It is difference. Yes! Woohoo! Wow, it's amazing and beautiful. Thank you, friends. We did it. Ta-da!
See you later, pups!
Cool, friends. We did it. I hope you like it. You like it? Please subscribe and like this video and see you soon. Bye.